Okay, so I hope this works the first time I've done this. So here is this projection search results that we obtained from NTS. I'm going to go look at this particular experiment here. And so I'm just going to go over here to this connectivity data, hit that, then open it up in Chrome. Okay, so here we have NTS connectivity data after injecting the AAV into this particular transgenic line. These are all of the data that's summarized in a tabular format, but it's open as an XML file. Okay, so while I'm letting that go, I'm just going to move that over here. I'm going to go to my Rstudio. So I wrote a function in R that takes the URL. So here we're going to take, I'll send you this file also, but here's basically my, my function where it takes a URL, it parses it to create a data, to convert it to a list. Then it takes the item of the list and turns it into basically a data frame into something that I actually want. And so here I'm going to call this URL5 is equal to, so here's like this file that had come up, right? And yeah, this was from the gal. It's not the one I wanted. Let's find the, here's the connectivity. We're looking at this PPR right here. So we're going to call this my data 5 is Allen XMLDF URL 5. That's going to be the name of the query. We're going to go in here, going to open this XML file, wait for this XML file to load, and you have to wait until it loads for some reason. I think it changes a little bit what the website actually is. And then it creates this XML file with all these tabs and things like that. So now I'll take this, add this. This is going to be my URL as a text object, going like that. So now I have this URL, and now I'm going to parse it. So this is now parsing it, turning into a list, and it's going to be, for each line of that list, it's going to be going and printing out like what line it's actually working on. And so you can see now we have a, we're just waiting for this to parse. So now it's going through every single line through of that data. It's going to go up to 2,000 something. It's pretty inefficient because I'm doing a for loop. I know there's probably a better way to do it, but I don't know how. So we'll just wait for that. I think it has about usually around 2,500 to 2,700 different projection sites. Okay. All right, so now we have that. Let's just take a look at the structure of my data 5. So I've created a data frame with 20,569 observations with 20 variables. We've got stuff like, you know, what pre-driver we utilize. In this case, it's the PPR, whatever. You know, like false true is the injection site, the ID here of the image, structure ID, which is actually the projection site that we go to. Okay, and then I'm just going to save that to my directory just to show I have like what is my directory. I've already got this into the like data that I want, so I'm just going to go save RDS my data to, wait, hold on, I'm in the wrong point. So we're going to go here and go save RDS my data 5 file is equal to this R, and just sanity check. Projects, productivity, projection. You can see that there's no data frame right there.